Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will be explaining you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. In this video we'll be explaining you the weekly chart, daily chart and 4 hours chart, where you will understand what are the levels that can affect the price of gold, as well as what are the fundamentals and technical things that can affect the price of gold in this particular week or in the next month. If you look at this particular week, what we have seen, the price is currently trading around $40.84.604. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what you can see that the price is moving in this particular zone. Previous week, what we have seen, there is a red candle. If you see this particular candle, you can see there is a red candle and then there is a green candle. Okay, and if you see this particular candle has break a half around $4164. That is the half this particular week, breaking a low of the previous half around $40.98. What you have to look here is that we have seen a sharp rise. Why? Because there is a change in the volume. See, if you have seen the change in the volume, we have seen that the price has made an upside movement when there is a red candle forming. If you see all these two candles, we have seen there is a change in the volume. That is where we have seen that the previous week's high has been moved up, and that is where we have seen the price has touched a new high compared to what we have seen in the last week. Now looking at this particular chart, what you can see, suppose if the price started sustaining this level, what we can see, suppose if started rising this level, chance of touching 4103 is very high, because see what we can see, the next support which is resistance, which is around 4100. Okay, as soon as the price goes above this level, because if you see from this particular angle, you will see clearly that this is the level where the price is being stuck for so long. This is a psychological level. Understand that if the price sustain above this level, a further upside can be seen, but if it keep moving below this level, chances are high we can see a further downfall. Looking at this chart, what you can see, suppose if it started rising, we can see the price can move towards a level of $40.98, which is an important level, and once started rising this level, we can see a level of 41.17, which is resistance 2. And if the price keep moving over this level, probability is high it will touch a level of $4168, which is resistance 3. And if it keep moving upside, we can see the price will move towards $42.01. Okay, and once the price keep rising above this level, probability is high it will go towards 4304. So understand, after 4200 there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can move further upside. So trailing your SL by around $10 to $15 is very important, so at least you will capture upside movement. So once started rising over 4200, which is a weak level, we can see a level of 4220, and if the price keep moving over this level, probability of going towards 4309 is there. Then there will be a trend breakout will happen, so we can see the price will move over $4309, and then a further upside can be seen. Understand that the price of gold is moving around $80 to $100 every day. This is what we have seen in the recent weeks. Now looking at this particular chart, what you can see, suppose if it keep moving over level of around 42.37, we will see that the next level is around $43.01 from the level of 43.59, and if that sustain, we can see a level of 43.85. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. But suppose if it started coming down, we can see that it can come down towards next level of around $40.23, which is support 1. And if the price keeps falling below this level, we can see it will touch a low of around 4000, which is a very important level. Understand, a level of 4100 is important level, 4000 important level. These are the two psychological level that if it sustain above this level, a further upside can be seen. But if it sustain keep moving upside, you can at least say that there can be a movement towards an upside. But once started falling below this level, chance of touching 4000 is very high. And if it keep moving down, we can see the price can touch a level of 4020, then to a level of 4000. If it keep falling below this level, it can touch 3985. From there we will see a level of 3957, which is a weak level, so we will see that it can come down towards 3936. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we will see that the price can go further low, and from there it can go towards $38.89. Okay, from this level we can see a bounce, but if the price didn't bounce back, we can see a further downfall. So chances are high that it can come down towards 38.80, then to a level of around $38.04. Okay, this is what you can see, and if it keep falling below that level, a further downfall can be seen. Trailing your SL is important by $10 to $15, so at least you will capture downside movement. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video,